Nathan, Austin, Bailey, this guy knows a thing or two, so you're in very good hands with Norm. I guess I'll leave you to it. Just don't scream at him, huh?
I'll take it easy. I'll take it easy.
Good luck, guys.
Now, framing isn't a complicated process, but it's all about the details. We want to make sure our cuts are accurate in length, and nice and square, and we want to make sure that we use nice straight lumber. So that's one of the first things I want you to do. Just pick up the 2x6 and sight down the edges. And what I'm looking for is a nice straight line and no twist. If it's twisted, set it aside. We'll use that for blocks. All right, so these are the first two pieces of our wall. This is the top plate, and this is the bottom plate, or sometimes called the shoe. Now, I've done the layout. I started from this